Buenos dias, good afternoon, good evening guys. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi Hutu, and yes, I am the guy that 5 years ago sold literally everything he owned, went all into Bitcoin and started to travel the world with his family of five, $3 and a wife. Now coming to you from the beautiful Tulum here in Mexico. Of course talking about Bitcoin, talking about the news I read this morning, and of course talking about family life. Yes, all of that is the combination you will see every time again in our videos. And yes, I'm not editing the videos anymore because I don't have the time. I want to keep them short and I want to spend some beautiful family time here in Mexico as well. Yesterday an awesome Bitcoin meetup on a boat. Today chilling down at the hotel and probably having a small party later this evening because they are building some kind of a huge building over there where they want to do a party. I'm going to walk very slowly here because it's like rocky. Let's first start with the Bitcoin charts. I'm going to show you, I think, 6 really cool charts that will show you what is happening to Bitcoin and also how you need to zoom out. But these charts, I have never shared them before and they are cool. They are really cool, guys. So make sure you watch the first couple of minutes completely because these charts, you don't want to miss them. Let's jump into the charts. While I switch my phone to the other side, I will switch the mic so that you won't have any influence of the wind, guys. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Bam! Enjoy the view, guys. Enjoy the view. The iPhone is switched and I'm going to jump now to the charts that I want to share with you. First of all, guys, this one. I need to check if we are recording because yes, I made that mistake before and now I don't want to make that mistake again. Maybe you can still hear the sound of the waves. This is the 4-hour chart. We have been looking at this 4-hour chart for some time now. Like you can see, we broke out. We should have been going to 60k. We went to 58k almost. There is still a chance that you see that we are making higher lows all the time. You have these red lows over there. You can see on the chart. There, it's a higher low. It's a higher low every time. So let's see here. This red one. Then we get that red one. Then we get that red one. Higher lows. Also higher highs. So we are still in an uptrend channel in my opinion. And we could still reach the 60k before we see the small pullback again. And then probably I think we will go to 70k. And then I think we could expect, or we should expect, or how do you say this? We don't know for sure. We don't have a glass ball. But we can expect a pullback, of course, because that's very healthy to see a correction now and then into the market. But again, if you zoom out in the long term, for me, still going for the 100k and even the 200k in the far future. But you will see another video on that tomorrow, I think. Let's check some more really cool charts. Let's jump into this one. Bam. I already set it for you. Let's go here, test, and let's start with this one over here. Guys, I saw this chart yesterday on the channel of Steve from Crypto Crew University, and I need to share this chart because I really like how it is in line with one of the charts I already showed you a few times, that we could be copying the 2013 bull run instead of the 2017 bull run. Just check those red circles. This one here, that was the top in 2011. That one, the top in 2013. That one, the 2017. You can see we are going slowly downwards with the trend of the tops. So the top of this year should be around there, around that red line, which is another, now we are around almost 400%, which would bring us to 1000%. So we could grow another 600% from this price. That would bring us to 240,000 US dollar. There are many ways that could develop. It could develop like this, like in 2013. You see, in 2013 here, we had the blue circle over there, red, yellow, green, purple, back to yellow. Then we pulled back and then we went to the top. Now, again, we see the same. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple. We are going to this white line now. That's a trend line. If we would return from there, we would get the same effect we had in 2013. That would be the yellow point, pulling back before we go up in 2022 to the red line, which would then be the top and still would be a huge price increase of like 500-600%. We could also do it like this, a sharper decline now. We go up first to 70k, bam, back to 50k, bam, then to the yellow line, to the red line again. Many possibilities I saw on CryptoCrew YouTube channel. I really like the chart, that's why I'm sharing it. This is the total market cap. This is not Bitcoin, this is the total market cap. So that's all cryptocurrencies combined. Really cool to see. You can see also that we are now running into this white line, like the resistance. We need to break that resistance before we can go even higher. So very exciting charts, guys. And if we do 2017, then this would be what would be happening now. We would bam, go up to that line, short and powerful, and then I think very powerful corrections. So all these things you need to keep in mind. This was a selfie taken yesterday on the boat trip. We went on a yacht with a lot of Bitcoiners, like 40 of them, and we had an amazing time over there. It was a beautiful day. We had a lot of fun, a lot of Bitcoin talk, and some other stuff, of course, as well. Drank other stuff. It made me have a happy face. A long time. This chart is a chart by Lisa. You can see that Lisa still has the opportunity in her chart that we will go to a third wave. That's a double extension, which would be that would be between like 83 and 80k, 88k. And then we should see this pullback again. Lisa's saying the same. We could pull back to 40, 50k then. Many possibilities. Let's keep the options open. I will keep you up to date. Yes, there was another picture. Really love this chart. This is the yearly chart. On this yearly chart, I think this is an awesome chart. You can see 3 green bullish years, 1 red bearish years. 3 green bullish years, 1 red bearish year. If you look to the third green candle, every time again, that is the most bullish green candle. The first time was over here, 2013, really cool big green candle. 2017, third green candle was again the largest of the 3 green candles. Now you can see the same here. 2019, small green candle. 2020, a little bit bigger green candle. And 2021, we just started, should be the biggest green candle, bringing us above 100k. Really cool chart. Oh, so much information. I'm talking too fast, I know, but I need to pump all this information into your heads, into your brains, so you understand not to freak out, but to zoom out. This is the price development of Bitcoin on this date, guy. Yes, it was on 12 March, it was $1 in 2011. Yeah, and we went all the way up now to 55,600 in 2021. Yes, you can see we are going slowly up, and sometimes we pull a little bit back, but on average, we are climbing, guys. This is Bitcoin. Okay, that was all the charts I have for today. Let's jump back to this one and then do this one. Guys, the view here is amazing. Like you can see, it is a really beautiful area. I'm staying in Tulum Beach. It's a little bit more quiet because I want to have a little bit more quiet as a family. Let's see if I also can put my face on the screen. I need to hold the camera different now because else you zoom in my nose and you don't want to see my inner side of the nose. So that were the charts, guys. I hope you really like the charts. I didn't trade yesterday as I was on a boat. I was doing the tour, so there was no possibility for me to trade. I didn't have the team trading. I need to walk a little bit careful here because I'm on the cliffs. It's beautiful over here, like you can see, guys. I'm really enjoying my time in Mexico, but I'm also kind of looking back or forward to maybe going to Portugal again, you know, to build out this beautiful blockchain village that I want to build there. I will talk about that a little bit more in a dedicated video, but yes, I'm going to build something awesome over there, which has to do with living and working together and building a new future as a community. But like I said, I will come back to that later. Let's jump very shortly into the news that I read this morning to see if it is bullish enough to push that price all the way up to 60k. Let's have a look. Bam. Wow. Let's go this way. And bam. I read the news, of course, this morning in the Brave browser, guys. Yes, check it. CRYPTOCURRENCIES. This one said this NFT business is going to be very huge. Limpo's NFT based game is currently building also a game based on sports and NFT, like non-fungible tokens. I've been talking many times about NFT in the last couple of years, guys, and I will keep doing this because, you know, this is going to be big. I just published an article on Be in Crypto, the German version. If you read German, then make sure you read that article. I think it was a nice article I wrote over there. This one, Equality and Sovereign partner up to bring optimized Web3 experience for Bitcoin DeFi. Also very positive, of course. If you want to read these articles, please go to the website and just read them yourself. For me, I just always take the most articles and I read them shortly to see if you are bullish or not. You know, NFT, very bullish, because people, his NFT digital college, which is a beautiful one, it was now auctioned off for 96 million US dollar. I think that is the best sold NFT ever, 96 million US dollar. It's an awesome NFT. It's a collection of all his artwork he made in the last 5 years, and then all small of them created one huge art piece. And that one was sold for 69 million. Do read the article. There's also a video on how he reacted when he saw that it was auctioned for 96 million. And he was watching the auction with his family. Really nice video as well. Wisdom Trees Bitcoin ETF filling joins hopefully. A lot of news about ETFs the last couple of days, guys. All of them, Gemini, all of them, they want to have this ETF online as soon as possible. You know, in Canada they're already working with an ETF. If this ETF in the States also gets approved, then we can expect a lot of extra money flowing into the industry, which would cause even more like a crisis, a supply crisis, which would cause even a more less bigger dips, because, you know, the more people buy it, the less bigger the dip will be, I think, in my opinion. Oh my god, I need to take some breath. Students in Georgia said to be taught about crypto at high school. Yes, finally the traditional schooling system starts to prepare kids for the future and not for the past. And maybe they should stop having kids memorize books and just really prepare them for the future by giving them more practical lessons instead of memorizing shit out of a book. But here, this is a very positive start. In Georgia, they are going to educate the kids in cryptocurrency, which is really positive. Yes, it's going to be something really normal in a couple of years, like I already say, for 5 years. This is also cool. As a collector, he turns down 1 million for NBA Top Shot moment, already bought for 100k. So he could have had tenfolded his investment. He didn't. Sometimes I think you need to take profit. But okay, who am I? And then we have this one, funny money. Brooklyn 99 star launches own social currency. Terry Crews, he's launching a social currency. I think it's called Power. You know, we have the family token. We both use, and that's really cool, Roll, because Roll is a really awesome platform that creates social money. And social money, in my opinion, will be huge. That's why I started the family token. If you want to know more about the family token and all that other stuff, guys, bam, let's go back into my video. Bam. If you want to know more about all the family token stuff, about the Bam Bam indicator, the TikTok indicator, all the other products that we built to earn some revenue, and with this revenue we build schools and all that stuff for poor people all over the world. Today I'm going to go to this school again here in Tulum that we are building. We are going to do the first donation, and we are going to make a picture with the kids so that you can see how happy probably these kids and those people are that now are going to be starting the building of the school because they have funds, thanks to you. Thanks to all your donations, thanks to the Blockchain Valley huge donations. It's like so many people that donated so much crypto. I can't even describe how happy and how warm that felt for me to receive those cryptos and now to hand them over because of the whole Bitcoin family. And yes, that is including you guys. That was everything for today. If you liked this short, that's a new word, liked, not enjoying or liking, but liking. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a comment, as I love to respond to your comments. I think tomorrow there will be a really cool video of Crypto and me on his YouTube channel, so make sure you watch that video as well, because I will do a price prediction there for the end of this year and the end of the bull run. That was all, guys. I am going to try now to zoom out in Bitcoin and to zoom in at life. I'm going to try to enjoy every single minute of the day, as that is exactly, in my opinion, what life should be about. And if you want to have the same mindset, do take a look at our Discord server. The link is down below this video, because if you sign up to the Discord server, you will find 3,000 same-minded people talking about Bitcoin, blockchain and life, and how your life could change by just a few simple steps. That was all for today. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy your day, and see you tomorrow again. Bam!